Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the sketch feature in Ibis Paint X. Sketching is a fundamental step for many artists, allowing you to lay down initial ideas and compositions without committing to final lines. It acts as a blueprint for your artwork, guiding your hand and ensuring your vision comes to life. We will go through the process step by step, from setting up your canvas to refining your preliminary drawings. Now, let's set up your dedicated sketch layer. First, open the Layers panel and tap the plus icon to add a new layer. It is helpful to rename this layer Sketch so you can easily identify it. Next, reduce the opacity of this new layer, perhaps to around 50%. This makes your initial lines lighter, allowing your final line art to stand out clearly when you draw over it later. With your sketch layer ready, it is time to start drawing. Select a basic pencil or pen brush, setting its size to a small value, perhaps 2 or 3 pixels. Begin with light, loose strokes to establish the main forms and composition of your artwork. Do not worry about perfection at this stage. Focus on capturing the essence of your subject. The eraser tool is your friend for making quick adjustments and refining shapes. After you are satisfied with your preliminary drawing, it is time to prepare for the final line art. Reduce the opacity of your sketch layer even further, perhaps to around 20%. This makes it a faint guide. Then, add a brand new layer directly above your sketch layer. This new layer will be where you draw your clean, final lines. Once your line art is complete, simply hide the sketch layer to reveal your polished artwork.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.